In this video, we're going to help you to buy crypto on Coinbase, showing you how to buy crypto using a credit or a debit card, or how to buy using your bank account. And there'll be a timeline in the video description below, as well as sign up links if you're brand new to Coinbase. I've also got a full Coinbase tutorial available if you're looking for a little bit more. First up, if you don't already have an account, you're going to need to sign up for one. To create an account, you're going to need to provide your first name and last name, email address, and create a secure password. Then, before you can start buying crypto or using certain parts of the site, you're going to need to go through an element of KYC, which is also known as Know Your Customer. This is required for the majority of crypto exchanges, and it means adding personal information such as verifying your phone number, photo ID, to confirm your identity, just so that Coinbase know who you are. Once you've signed up, we can then go ahead and buy. So there's a few different ways that you can reach the buy screen. First, I've got buy, sell and convert option on the right hand side of the screen of this homepage. And this sidebar appears on most pages throughout Coinbase. Alternatively, you can go to the My Assets page, find a crypto from the list, if you have any, and click on the three dots here, and choose buy. I'll choose the sidebar on the right here, and I'll need to make sure I'm on the buy tab at the top. Because in this example, I'm going to choose to buy Bitcoin, which is selected here. And with Coinbase, there's a few different payment methods that you can use to buy your crypto. So if we choose Pay With, the first two options that I have are with a GBP wallet or a Euro wallet. And the options you'll see here will obviously depend on your location or currency. These wallets can be topped up by depositing funds via bank transfer, which we're going to come back to shortly. That's the first way that I'd like to show you is how to buy crypto with a debit card. So I'll need to add a payment method from the bottom of the screen. I then have options for easy bank transfers, credit and debit cards or PayPal. We're going to choose credit or debit card. And to use these payment methods, you simply need to enter in your card details, which I'm just going to go away and do now. Then choose Add Card. And just be aware that some cards don't support crypto purchases, so you may need to find one that's supported. And in most cases, photo ID verification is required before you can start adding cards. Once the card has been added and successfully linked, you'll then find it available under the Pay With option on the right hand side of the screen, which also shows my available limit using this method. So now we've added our card details. We then need to enter the amount of crypto that we'd like to buy, and I can enter this into GBP because my account is based in the UK. But I can change this so I state the amount of Bitcoin I'd like to buy instead. Now with Coinbase, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin, and you can just buy smaller amounts, which with £50 right now is just 0.000567 BTC or Bitcoin. Underneath the Pay With option is the crypto that you're buying, which you can change and select or search for another from the list if you do change your mind. When you're ready, you can then review your order. You're then going to be displayed with an order preview, showing the amount that you're buying in Bitcoin and the current or live price of Bitcoin or the crypto that you're buying, which includes a 1% spread. Now you can choose to invest in the crypto on a schedule, such as weekly from here, which I'm just going to ignore for the moment. Then at the bottom is the total, which includes the spread and a £1.99 fee. And there are ways that you can reduce these fees. So if you're looking at ways to increase your profits, you can check out our full Coinbase tutorial. Then when you're ready, you can go ahead and buy now. Depending on your bank, you may be redirected as I am to authorise this payment. And the order will then be submitted and then should go through pretty much immediately afterwards. You'll then get access to your crypto instantly, which you're going to find under the My Assets screen. And you can see my Bitcoin balance has now increased to $57.99. Now don't let this confuse you, as I did buy in pounds earlier, but this actually just displays in dollars. And it then shows me today's return and the current price and change. If you'd prefer to buy your crypto using a bank transfer instead, from the My Assets screen, if we head to the Cash and Digital Cash tab, I have both a British Pounds or GBP wallet and a Euro wallet, which I can deposit into. And again, this will depend on your location. There's a few different ways that you can deposit. Either by clicking on the three vertical dots beside your wallet and choosing deposit, or by using the big blue deposit cash button on the right. I can then deposit my cash with an easy bank transfer. From here I can enter the amount that I'd like to deposit, and I'm going to choose £50 again. Then select the bank from the drop down. Mine again will be Revolut, as I know that it supports crypto transactions. Then continue. With Revolut, you'll then be redirected to the Revolut app to approve, and you'll need to scan the QR code, authorize the deposit, and then head back to Coinbase. Your deposit will then be pending, and as they state here, usually it's instant, but it can take up to 24 hours, so just be aware of that. Now I've waited a couple of minutes, and from my home screen, under Cash and Digital Cash, you'll see the cash that I've deposited showing in my balance, with options to deposit more or withdraw, which we're going to come back to later. Let's continue with our purchase using a bank deposit, because now we have cash in Coinbase, we need to buy our crypto. So if we head to the home page, on the right hand side of the screen, under Buy, you'll see that my GBP wallet is now selected, showing my available balance. Now we can enter in the amount, or we can choose max, which is the maximum amount available from that wallet. I'm going to choose to buy £50 of Bitcoin again. Then review my order, which again shows me the price of Bitcoin that I'm buying at and the total with the spread and the £1.99 fee. Then when you're ready, you can go ahead and buy now. And your purchase will go ahead immediately with the newly purchased crypto available again under My Assets. But that completes how to buy crypto on Coinbase. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I've also added sign-up links to Coinbase as well as some useful tools in the description below. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.